Stones not only look great in gardens, but they can also be a cost-effective way to landscape. No matter how big or small your garden is, stones can be a wonderful addition. Knowing how to choose the right stone for your garden design will make the landscaping process much easier. Not only are stone gardens easy to install, but they are also easy to maintain. In addition, they can be a more budget-friendly choice than other landscaping options. Depending on your style and your needs, there are many different types of stones to choose from. How to choose the right stone for garden design. Before choosing a stone for your garden, there are some things you need to take into consideration. You need to factor in the size of your garden, layout, and what sort of style you want. This will help you determine what stone is the right one for your garden. For smaller gardens, gravel and pebbles may be the best option, whereas for larger gardens you may want cobblestone, or even boulders. Depending on the layout of your garden and your style, you may go for decorative pathways or dry riverbeds. Types of stones to consider. There are several beautiful types of stones that work great in gardens. Though you may want some extravagant design, it is best to put functionality first. You want to make sure your garden is fitting for your needs, whether you plan to use it for growing lots of plants or as an entertaining space. Pea gravel. As the name says, pea gravel is made up of small rocks that are the size of peas. It is a popular choice for driveways, paths, and using in garden beds. They come in a variety of different colors and are easy to maintain. Pebbles. Pebbles, which may also be referred to as river rocks, are smoother and larger than pea gravel. They typically are close to the size of the palm of your hand and are available in different colors. Pebbles are a great choice for retaining walls, creek beds, water pieces, and decorative pathways. Cobblestone. Cobblestones are manufactured stones that are often uniform in size. They are great for walkways, driveways, and heavy traffic areas, such as patios. Cobblestones give your garden a charm, as they provide an authentic, weathered look. Yorkstone paving. Yorkstone is a type of sandstone that comes specifically from Yorkshire, which dates back to medieval times. It is one of the best, most sought-after choices for driveways, pathways, entrances, and patios. It comes in a variety of different colors and finishes, and is known for its durability. Rockery Stone. Rockery stones are medium-sized, natural rocks that come in different colors, shapes, and sizes. They are great for arranging around ponds, along walkways, and along borders. Around the size of toasters, they make great statement pieces as each stone is unique. Boulders. If you are looking for a large stone, boulders are a great option. They come in a variety of different sizes and colors. Boulders can make great accent pieces, borders, and even water features in large yards. Also, you can complement your garden design with the best ground cover for shaded areas that stay green through the year. Finding the right stone for gardens. There are many different great stones you can use for your garden. Depending on the size, layout, and use of your garden, you can find the type of stone that will fit your needs. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.